Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into a filing from Western Digital, and trust me, it's got more twists than a hard drive full of cat videos. We're looking at an update about a big change they made, spinning off one of their major businesses. Let's get into it. Okay, so back in February of 2025, Western Digital, the company known for hard drives and other data storage, completed a plan to separate into two different parts. They split their flash memory business from the rest, which is mostly the hard drive side of things. Think of it like a band breaking up and the drummer going solo. To do this, they gave their stockholders shares of a new company, SanDisk Corporation. For every share of Western Digital stock you owned, you got a piece of SanDisk. It's like getting a bonus in company shares. Now, SanDisk is its own company, trading on the stock market under the ticker symbol SNDK. But here's the kicker, Western Digital still owns almost 20% of SanDisk stock. So they're divorced, but still kinda seeing each other. This means that Western Digital will no longer include SanDisk's financial results with their own going forward, because they don't control SanDisk anymore. It's like a parent company letting its child go off and start its own life, but still keeping a close eye on them. This filing is actually an amendment, meaning it's a correction or update to a previous report from February. The main reason for this amendment is to include some financial information, something called pro forma financials. These pro forma statements basically show what the company's financials would have looked like if the split had happened earlier. It helps investors see the impact of the separation. It's basically Western Digital trying to show investors the impact of the separation and what to expect from them financially going forward now that SanDisk is not part of them anymore. So let's look at some of the key pro forma numbers. The balance sheet shows a snapshot of the company's assets, liabilities, and equity. This document includes the balance sheet as of December of 2024. And here are the profit and loss statements. This shows the pro forma financial results for the 6 months ended December 27, 2024. This is what WD's business looked like the first half of 2024 without SanDisk. Also, it included the profit and loss financial results for the years ended June 2024, June 2023, and July 2022. These numbers are without including SanDisk in their business results. The filing says this is all unaudited, so these numbers are Western Digital's best estimates but haven't been checked by outside accountants. Now, let's step back and look at the big picture. Western Digital has made a big bet on focusing on its hard drive business. This makes sense in a world increasingly reliant on cloud storage and data centers, both of which need hard drives. But it also means they are more exposed to the ups and downs of the hard drive market, as that is their core product now. One of the opportunities they have is to capitalize on its existing business relationships. Western Digital is a major player in the data storage market and has partnerships with many companies. The risk to look out for is if the hard drive market declines faster than expected. Flash memory is becoming more popular and cheaper. This could put pressure on Western Digital's revenue and profit as that is no longer part of their business after the business separation. In conclusion, Western Digital is betting on the hard drive business as the future for data storage. The big question is, will this bet pay off, or will the rise of flash memory and other technologies leave them behind? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching this episode of Corporate Decoder. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you have any companies or SEC filings you want me to decode, please let me know in the comments section below.